Now, first thing we say is sportsmanship. We say, good luck. Good. You know what that means? That means that you're confident in your ability. You know you can kick butt, right? Say, I am strong. I'm a little panda. Oh, so strong. Repeat me. I'm a little panda. Oh, so strong. Learning each day. Say, learning each day. What's right and wrong? Good. Okay, guys. Ready? Shake hands. Sportsmanship. Good luck. Ready? And hands down. No, Younger. Up. Penalty. Listen to orders. Discipline. Okay? 1 point. Jaden. 1 point. Minus. Anthony. Okay? Shake hands. Good luck. Ready? Alright, guys. Now wait for orders. Hajime. Good. Okay, guys. 10 seconds to skip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.